The Bolycen BBQ Blanket 23-inch model is a generously sized insulated resting bag that comfortably handles full briskets, pork shoulders, or whole turkeys after a long smoke. Its multi-layer insulation and tight closure help keep meat hot for an extended time while preserving moisture, so slices stay tender and juicy instead of drying out on the counter. The outer shell uses a tough, recyclable Oxford fabric with heat-resistant, water-resistant, and oil-resistant coatings, which makes it durable enough for frequent backyard cooks and competition days. A reinforced oval base with sealed edges improves stability and leak resistance, so resting juices stay contained and your prep area remains clean even with heavy cuts. Despite the sturdy construction, the blanket folds down easily and stays lightweight, making it a practical companion for camping trips, tailgates, and park cookouts. Cleanup is straightforward because the interior and exterior surfaces can be wiped or washed without fuss, so the blanket is ready to go again for the next barbecue session.